Hey y'all, this is Dave with Da Bomb Smokes. I just want to take a little bit of time to talk with you a little bit. Most of my meat-loving YouTube friends are aware that I'm going down this plant-based diet, vegan path, and they're all very supportive, and I really appreciate them for it. Another thing I'm really blessed with is that a lot of my new friends, the vegan and plant-based diet eaters, are taking a liking to my channel as well, and I really appreciate y'all. I've had several subscribe already. I really appreciate the support from both sides. You know, I've been a meat eater all my life, and so this is a real challenge for me. I tried the keto diet a long time ago, and it worked really well. I lost 25 pounds, but I never could curb my craving for carbs. On this diet, the plant-based diet, I don't have near the craving for meat as I did with carbs. So I'm happy with that. But I just wanted to thank everybody for their support. I'm hoping to make some recipes that will appeal to everybody, even meat eaters. Some of these recipes could be used as a side dish. So hopefully this will appeal to a broader range of people. It'll be very versatile. I'm loving these recipes so far. I'll tell you, I just gotta say, I'm very impressed. I never thought that I would be able to stick with it this long. But I just want to tell y'all, thank you very much. Y'all are great people. And if y'all haven't checked out Dylan's channel, Well Your World, I'll put a link up here to his channel. Check him out. He's great. And I'm also in his group on Facebook, Well Your World group, and that's where a lot of these nice people are coming from. So thanks again, and I guess we'll see you on my next video, or I'll see you, or I don't know how that's going to work. No, you'll see me, but well, anyway, peace out, y'all. God bless you.